Welcome to my Whenua, Tahiti in Polynesia. Ja love to all the people all around the world. Yeah.
Early in the morning I walk to the shore. Birds all around, shortboards ready. Sun is rising in the golden sky. Dip in the barrel, feel the rhythm of the tide. Cruising inside the waves flow. The swell is like a song and we surf it like a solo. Grew up, island style. Yes, we are all a little wild.
Paaina te are I tua mai. Horo haere te paruru to I te are. Anapanapa te moana. Whai te mitinia I te a. Paaina te hana I te awa. Wareru I roto I te moana. Horo haere te paru I te are. Whai te mitinia I te a. He tō ute a haere mai. A RAVE mai te IRI FAAHEE. He tō ute a haere mai. Ia tā ua te mahana mai re.
No time to chill on the 20 feet swell, you gonna feel the thrill. Gliding on the riptide, there's nothing like local bad boys blasting on the big show break. Chasing for the best waves, for the best swell. We surfing all day, we jamming all night. Freedom bliss every time I ride. Welcome to my island, to my paradise.
Ina te ana I te awa. Wareru I roto I te moana. Horo haere te paru I te are. Whai te mitinia I te a. He tō ute a haere mai. A RAVE mai te IRI FAAHEE. A haere mai. Ia tā ua te mahana mai re. He tō ute a haere mai. A RAVE mai te IRI FAAHEE. He tō ute a haere mai. Ia tā ua te mahana mai re. A RAVE mai te IRI FAAHEE.